Hello, this is Franklin, the Unlikely Gardener, and I want to share with you a pro-unlikely gardener tip. Tomato plants need sun. The answer to that is obvious, right? Well, for me, wrong. Because in the fall of 2020, I thought I knew that tomato plants needed sun, but my lack of understanding stunted my little tomato plant baby's life. Because this is what I did. I planted my tomato plants a lot closer to my duplex, and so they got sun, but they didn't get enough sun. My plants were maybe where my foot is right here in relation to my duplex. And so then someone told me, hey, move your plants away from your duplex. And so I started to do that, and I moved them away from my duplex. And then my little tomato plants, you know what happened to them? I started getting tomatoes. And I was so amazed by that. I was so happy about that. And that just shows me how important it is for my little tomato plants to get sun. And they're growing right now. You see how they're growing already? And they're getting so big that I might have to consider having them in different caging or having a tomato teepee or something like that for my 2 tomato plants especially. And I want to ask you a question. Do you need sun to grow? The answer to that question is obvious, right?